Understanding, Forgive Others, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very important and meaningful phrase in English, forgive others. Understanding this phrase not only helps in language learning but also in appreciating the cultural and emotional aspects of English. So, let's dive in. Forgiveness is a key concept in many cultures and languages, and English is no exception. The phrase, forgive others, means to stop feeling angry or resentful towards someone for an offense, flaw, or mistake they have made. It's about letting go of negative feelings and moving on. This concept is often seen as a step towards personal peace and healthy relationships. Forgiveness is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it allows for emotional healing and prevents bitterness from taking root in one's heart. Secondly, it helps in maintaining and repairing relationships. By forgiving, you open the door to reconciliation and understanding. Finally, forgiveness is often associated with personal growth and maturity. Let's look at some examples. 1. After a heated argument, Maria decided to forgive her brother and they made up. 2. It's important to forgive others and not hold grudges, the teacher explained to her students. 3. In many religious texts, the act of forgiving others is seen as a virtuous deed. Here are some phrases that convey similar meanings or are used in the context of forgiveness. Let bygones be bygones. This means to forget about past conflicts or problems. Bury the hatchet. This idiom means to make peace with someone and stop arguing. Hold no grudges. This means not to maintain feelings of resentment or anger. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, forgive others, and why it's so significant in English. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar, it's also about understanding emotions and cultural values. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to forgive others in your journey of language learning. See you next time.